Good afternoon and welcome to a hot, sticky, sunny Pattaya, Thailand. It's a scorchio, feels like temperature of 35 degrees. Oh my god. Hence, I'm wearing a vest and hence it's on fire. Hey! So we've parked up in central Pattaya shopping mall because it's free parking and it's mint, it's all indoors. So we're going to nip through here, head out on the beach road, have a much about, have a look at Second Road, have a look at possibly Cyber Market, just see where our feet take us basically. What a lush day. Slight breeze just to keep it a little bit cooler, but it's impossible to keep cool in this weather unless you're in the aircon or having a nice cool drink like. Decided to take one of the soys up towards Second Road just because I don't think we've walked up here before. We've driven down it, but I'm sure we haven't walked up here, so guess what, we're doing it now. Seems to be a bit of a naughty soy, this one. Like the massage girls aren't just wearing proper traditional masseuse uniforms, they're all wearing mini skirts and belly tops. So welcome to Second Road, Robin Hood, great food in there, fantastic. So that soy that we walked down was soy 13-1 and it's a bit of a naughty one. So we're going to head into the Robin Hood Tavern, grab something to eat, have a quick drink and do a bit of people watching. Need to see what this butcher looks like. Fancy a threesome with the butcher? So we're sat here perusing the menu and people watching down there with a nice ice cold Thatcher's Gold cider. Get a look at this. Homemade chips, curry sauce, mushy peas and a chicken curry pie, and Emma got the steak and Guinness pie with mushy peas, mashed potato and gravy. Get out the state of that, man. Sorry it's a bit dark, the sun is behind me. Anywho, Jason Miller, the absolute nightmare that he is, said to meet outside the Hilton, so we've sat there for 45 minutes and he went, oh, did I say Hilton? What I meant to say was the Hard Rock Cafe. What an idiot. And yes, Jason, I'm talking to you. So anywho, he's walking down towards us, we're walking up towards him, and we'll meet somewhere in the middle. That's if he doesn't stop and wait for us to catch him up. Fresh fish. Tuk tuk, tuk tuk. Well, we found the nightmare on his phone, as per. Take a picture of all four of them. Well, we've decided to have a walk up size 6. If I get caught with this camera, I'm going to get shouted at. But welcome to size 6. Yeah, it's a bit loud down here. Yeah, best I'll turn the camera on. So this is size 6, the naughty side. So I've actually walked all the way up the top of size 6, had a drink, we're walking all the way back down, and yeah, it's a crazy street this, absolutely crazy. So we've come down to central Pattaya, the food mall, this one. Now don't learn me lesson, I went and got it again. Pad Krapao Mu Kai Dai. Kai Dao, actually, not Kai Dai, Kai Dao. Fried egg. Anywho, it's supposed to be a little bit spicy. It was another food challenge. Ice cream to put out the flames. Time to take this old boat back to Gordon's. Well, as you can see, we're back home now. This is going to be an informational post. Information, Terry? Yes, information. Wow. I don't normally give information. I normally just ramble on. Like I am now. Anywho, we were out with our friends, Jason and Nikki Miller, and they're not very streetwise in Pattaya. So Nikki had a bag like this, and I spotted some bag snatchers and literally shoulder barged one of them out of the way, put my arm around Nikki, put my hand on her bag, and told the bag snatchers quite impolitely to off, if you know what I mean. I literally off. So yes, don't do that. Always keep your bag on the front, keep your hand on it, especially when it's in busy areas like size 6, because you get distracted with the girlies, you lose your bag, they run through the crowd, jump on a bike, and they're gone, and everything you've got goes with them. So there you go, information. Anywho, that's it for now. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. See you on the next one. Guess what?
Okay, and now it's time to do your job. Get busy.